Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use NameDrop on iOS 17 and 18. NameDrop lets you instantly share contact info by holding the top of your iPhone near another iPhone or Apple Watch. So you're gonna lay your phone like this, and you're gonna put your second phone near the first phone, and your basically contact info will be shared automatically, right? Or my favorite method is to go to contacts, right? And you can select one individual or more than one, right? By just holding your two fingers here and just drag your fingers down, right? Now I'm gonna hold, right? And hit share. So hit done, right? And use AirDrop for this. Okay, turn on Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn my basically AirDrop here on my second phone and select your device. And now all you gotta do is just accept the request from your second phone, right? Or wait for the person to accept your request, and the contact infos will be shared. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps.